Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great. Today, I'm going to walk you through something every business owner and bookkeeper should know: how to run a budget versus actual report in QuickBooks Online. This report is one of the best tools to measure how your business is performing compared to what you had originally planned. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to generate it, customize it, and use it to track whether you're staying on budget or overspending. So let's dive right in. First, go ahead and sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Reports. Now, QuickBooks has tons of reports, so instead of scrolling forever, the easiest way is to use the search bar at the top. Type in Budget versus Actuals. Or you can also find it under the Business Overview section. Click on it. And this will open up the report screen. Before you run the report, it's a good idea to customize it. On the top right corner, you'll see the Customize button. Click that. Here's where you can set the details that matter most to you. Under Report Period, choose the time frame you want to compare, like this year to date, or a custom date range that matches your budget cycle. If you've created more than one budget, you'll see an option to select the specific one you want to compare against. And don't forget, you can also choose your accounting method, cash or accrual, depending on how you manage your books. Once that's all set, click Run Report, and QuickBooks will generate your budget versus actuals report. Now here's the powerful part. This report will display your actual income and expenses side by side with your budgeted amounts. You'll immediately see whether you're on track, overspending, or even under budget. QuickBooks also shows the difference as a dollar amount and a percentage, which makes it really easy to analyze performance at a glance. If you want to share the report, you can print it, send it by email, or even memorize the settings so it's ready to go next time without having to redo the customization. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can get valuable insights into how well your business is sticking to its budget and make smarter financial decisions moving forward. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and business guides. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and keep growing your business.